Hi, I'm David Bassanese, Chief Economist at Beta Shares, and this is a snapshot of my global market trends report for the month of September. And just reviewing the month that's passed in August, another positive result for global equities, the MSCI All Country World Index returning 5.8%. The ASX not as strong, the S&P ASX 200 returned 2.8%. And I think globally what we're seeing is really an ongoing global economic recovery from the initial shutdowns that we saw over March and April and May to an extent. The COVID crisis is still with us. We are seeing, virus cases still emerging in Europe and the United States in particular, and in fact second waves. But importantly, we haven't had the associated increase in death rates or pressure on hospitals that we saw in these economies earlier this year. So that has meant that we haven't gone back into lockdown, so to speak, in many of these countries, which again is continuing to support markets. Interest rates still remaining quite low. Valuations for the equity market, if you look at an outright price to earnings ratio, are starting to look high from an historical point of view, but given where interest rates are, and particularly bond yields, then those valuations actually don't look that expensive. So low bond yields are actually, pushing up valuations in the equity market at the moment. Also, something to watch is that earnings expectations globally, which were downgraded earlier this year, and my expectation is that they will continue to be downgraded. I still think they're overly optimistic. Haven't been downgraded in the past couple of months, and we've seen a levelling out there. Now, maybe that's just temporary, but it's certainly, if that holds, that certainly bodes well for equity markets going forward. In terms of the major themes, technology globally had a very strong month in August. The US market in particular was supported by technology. Quality is a factor, so companies with above average return on equity also continuing to do well. So US, technology, quality, these remain the major themes globally at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see the full report, please visit the Insights section of our website.